So one of the things that I like to have people do when we're just trying to make sure we understand everything that goes on is just take a giant picture like this and be like, okay, let's find a segment that fits these categories. So if you just did number 8, radius should be fairly easy because it has to start at the center. All right, and it says right here that circle C. Whoops, circle C. So we've got to start at the center. So I'm going to say my radius is right there. All right, so CB with a line segment on top. Okay, a chord is anything that has two endpoints on the circle. Now, there's more than one chord in here, but there's not a lot that have two letters. I'm going to go with that one right there. So that chord right there is from P over to G. Okay, a secant has to start outside the circle, enter the circle, and go to the opposite side. So I actually have two of them here. I'm going to pick this one right here because it has an E on the other side. The other one doesn't have a letter there. I could put my own letter there if I wanted to very easily. So OE is a secant. And then the last one says a tangent. Now, tangents technically are supposed to be told to you in the problem. It's supposed to say this is a tangent because it's not something that you should ever really assume. In a question like this, you're looking for a line that doesn't enter the circle, okay, and wouldn't if it keeps going. The only thing in this picture that could even possibly qualify as a tangent is that guy right there, because if I continue it, it shouldn't go into the circle. So my tangent is going to be HG. So there is an example of a radius. There's one more radius in there. A chord. There are 1, 2, 3 more chords, it looks like. All right, 3 more chords. Secant, there's one more. Tangent, there isn't any more. This is a good thing to do when you're trying to learn about this stuff and get an idea of what it looks like. It's just to take a picture, find this stuff, label it, and make sure that you understand the differences, because that's the most important thing.